Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can cancel a transaction on SadaPay. So, just for everyone's information, transaction cannot be canceled instantly. So, once a payment is initiated, it usually goes through immediately. So, there is no cancel button in the application. However, SadaPay can block or reverse transactions under certain circumstances, such as expected fraud or merchant cancellation. So first, you have to contact support immediately. So to reverse or dispute a transaction, you have to reach out through one of the SadaSpace official support channels. So you can just search it on your Google or Safari. And then the first result that will come up, then click on that one, just like this one. And then once you're there in the app, live chat, then here is their email. You can also call their phone number, and then you can provide details for like the transaction reference number, amount, date, type, or the ATM transfer, and the recipient. So those are the information that you need to give to the contact support. And then time frames for reversal. So according to the SadaPay's dispute policy, outgoing transfers typically resolved within 3 business days. Now for the ATM withdrawals, it can take up to 5 business days. And then there are delays. So if third parties, just like the third parties, like other banks or merchant are involved. So you just really have to be patient with the days since they have to process it. Now, for the summary, you can't instantly cancel a sent payment, but acting quickly and contacting support with the full transaction details, you greatly increase the chance of refund or reversal. So timelines vary, but many users report resolution within hours or days. So just be patient. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.